It's nice to get back and see friends and meet up again, and yeah, we've carried it through to now. Training's been good, and socialising outside of training around the hotel's been really good. So yeah, we all feel good. It's what we spoke about at the start, and we're happy with the start that we've made, obviously, and we just want to try and keep that going. We obviously realise this is a very difficult game, but it's a game we want to try and keep our momentum. Obviously, the other games were different and difficult in different ways. This is the obvious one that everyone will look towards with the quality of their team, playing away from home. We recognise how hard it's going to be to come away with any result. We're going to have to work for the entire 90 minutes.
I think my biggest game is yet to come, and I think it'll be in this campaign. This is a huge game, I know that, but win, lose or draw, it's not gonna. We won't qualify if we win, and we won't not qualify if we lose. We know it's a huge step for us if we get a positive result, and that's what we're looking at. Our strength has been our togetherness, and that's not just 11 players on the pitch. It's been the lads, the substitutes, and the lads who've come in for when we've been missing a lot of players. And the feeling in the camp has been tremendous, and we can't sacrifice that, because that's what's got us into this position, and that's what we have to maintain.
It's been pretty chilled, and the good thing about it now, we've been working together so long. We don't have to do any rallying calls really. It's just about tweaking the team or what we want to do in each game, and talking about those type of things. And everyone recognises how important it is now, and you don't really have to say too much on that, which is a good thing.
Yeah, it's always good to have options. It's always good to have a headache where you may have to leave a player out and you have to give him bad news, but you'd rather that than scratching around where you're down to the bare bones. So that's always a good headache to have for any manager. And, it's good as well for the guys. We've got to maintain the run we've been on. We've got to keep the momentum going, and it doesn't come any tougher than Belgium away. It's a huge test, but sooner or later you're going to come up against teams like Belgium, and if you're going to be successful, you've got to stand up, and you've got to meet the challenge head on, and that's what it is, a challenge, and that's how we look at it.